Whether you are trying to start up a career in photography, or you would just like to level up your pictures and videos every time you go on a trip, you will always see cameras that are not intimidating and are friendly for newbies. In this video, we will give you a battle: Nikon versus Canon DSLR cameras, and we'll try to answer which one is better for beginners. But before we continue, we hope that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Nikon, Canon, and Sony are the three giants in the imaging field. However, before Sony came into the picture of DSLRs, Nikon and Canon have always been head-to-head when it comes to powerful cameras, releasing new models every now and then to answer to the changing needs of the market. Of course, equipped with the newest technology and innovations in every release. To go on with this Nikon versus Canon DSLR cameras battle, we will assess one by one what are the edges of each brand over the other. Along with it are some of their best models that may satisfy what you are looking for. Starting with the advantages of Nikon DSLRs over Canon. First is the APS-C system that Nikon possesses. What is the relevance of having this type of camera and the compatibility with the lenses? If you have a Canon camera that is built with an M glass, you cannot use this with an RF lens mount. Thus, if ever you decide to make a switch to a different type of glass, such as the RP or the R, then you might have to change your lens. This is where Nikon and its APS-C system shines. One of the best examples here is the Nikon Z50, which is a good camera for beginners. Though it is a compact camera, it was built to be compatible with a lot of Nikon Z series glasses. Another advantage is the features that are built specifically for beginners, such as the Nikon D3500, which is a DX format DSLR. This camera is so easy to use that it would seem like you are operating a point-and-shoot camera. Shooting is pretty effortless when you choose the auto mode. With this, the camera system will automatically assist you in adjusting the camera settings that will best fit your current lighting condition. Also, if you wish to learn more as you go your way, it also has the guide mode that shows on-screen instructions for you. Nikon is pretty much better when it comes to dynamic range, capability in low light conditions, and video quality. This has always been a debate in the camera world, as many would believe that the dynamic range between Canon and Nikon models is pretty much the same. However, when experts are asked, they would say that Nikon is at an advantage when you go and expect the raw files of each brand. As to the ability to handle low light conditions and video quality, Nikon D5600 can attest to these. With Nikon's X-Speed image processor and the ISO range at 25,600, that can be expanded to 6,400 sensitivity, you are still assured of sharp and detailed takes, even in dark areas. You can also create 1080p full HD videos and create really smooth ones with great audio when you pair them with an AFP lens. While Nikon carries a lot of models that can produce 4K videos, Canon is quite limited in this capability. When it comes to lenses, if pricing is your priority, then you'd have to prefer Nikon. Both brands offer a wide array of lenses. However, when it comes to mirrorless cameras, Canon released premium quality lenses that are reasonably expensive. Although it comes in affordable prices, Nikon lenses will still deliver. For as long as you're not aimed toward photography that requires fast, wide, and extra responsive lenses that are bokeh, then Nikon is perfect for you. Now let's move on to the areas where Canon bested Nikon when it comes to beginner cameras. First is the autofocus system. While it's true that Nikon has a powerful autofocus system Powered by its X-Speed processor, Canon is monstrous in this area because of the digic engine it carries. The Canon brand has this trademark DPAF, or the dual pixel autofocus. So what does this feature do? Basically, for every single pixel that is caught on by your camera's sensor, that said sensor will have two separate but very light-sensitive photodiodes. These diodes will then be able to host its own micro lens. They can also work together or separately. Another autofocus feature is the eye-catching autofocus. This enables the camera to follow the person by looking into the eyes, as can be recognized through AI. Canon is generous enough to add this feature even to its entry-level cameras. One model that has these features as its strong points is the Canon Rebel T6. This is a fast camera powered by the Digic 4 processor that allows for its powerful 9-point autofocus system plus the AI servo autofocus. Not only fast, but pretty accurate. Like the Nikon D3500, the Rebel T6 also has the auto mode, which automatically adjusts the settings for you according to the light condition. Definitely a big help for newbies. It also comes in more affordable compared to other beginner-friendly models. If you want a cheaper option and would not mind the older version, you may also opt for Canon Rebel T5, which has the same metering system with the T6. Thus, you are given accurate exposures. Another advantage is lens quality. Yes, we may have mentioned earlier that Nikon is more affordable. But if the price point is not your concern, but you are in for quality, the Canon should be your pick. As we said earlier, both brands carry lenses for mirrorless cameras. However, Canons are on the premium end. Thus, you can expect it to perform well, considering also its higher price range. Also, as to compatibility of lenses, Canon will be the winner. If you may encounter issues or problems with the expansive tags on the Canon lenses, there are also other manufacturers that can fit your camera, such as Sigma and Tamron, which retails at lower tags. Lastly, Canon is much better at astrophotography, as can be seen through the Canon Rebel XSI. Released way back in 2008, this model is believed to be the perfect newbie camera if you wish to explore the night sky. A good astrophotographer's camera is the one that can welcome more infrared rays from bodies. Thus, the more hydrogen alpha ray transmissions that it can accept, then the clearer your shots will be. If you wish for a larger resolution and a more current model, you can go for the Canon EOS 60D astrophotography at 18 megapixels as compared to the XSI's 12.2 MP and released in 2012. So there you go, that ends the battle. Nikon versus Canon DSLR cameras. Which one is better for beginners? We probably can't say which one exactly. What we do know is that the perfect answer is the one that carries that feature that you love and prefer. It's good that you came to our aid when you're looking for good beginner cameras. After all, you can never go wrong with proper research. Also, the first step is crucial as it can make or break your entire photography journey. If you want more videos like this where we talk about different cameras and we rank and battle them out, please visit and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell. Good luck!